Yeah, nation people. Here what me I say right now straight. Yo, cut all the monarchy out on the show pony business. Yo, people, we have to give respect straight to Skillibeng. No joke shit not dead about it. Same thing goes out for Sensi and Popcorn. Right now in the nation people, to the way how we see Skillibeng damage England, yo, you have to give it to him a theme place. You hear that? No gimmicks business not dead about it. Inside England get quarrel by the rascal East Side artists. No gimmicks business not dead about it. While as them have a fun day. You see what I say? Yo, Pumbo rascal team man. Hey, you see what the Whopper do to the blood clot world? Eh? The song where everybody refuse, the song where everybody that push over, the song where everybody that laugh off and say fucker, me Bumbo rascal, Skillibeng. Yo, look like you have to go reshuffle right about now, you know. Because here we go on. We see like the people them love the big song, you know, she love bad man, you know. So I don't know if you have to go do a wicked video feed or whatever, but right now, she love bad man. Them love it and them love it, but I don't know if you have to go draw up the drawing board and orchestrate a dynamic blood clot video for that song there. Right, yeah, still you have to go do that because right now the people them love it and them love it bad. Because I see them know every fucking line. Right, and let me tell you something. It's not even one country no love it Skilly. It look like I everywhere love this bomb buckler thing. Right now, you know, Skilly. The thing gone, you know, bad boy. Yeah, man. The thing gone right about now. Them can't deny that. You see what I say? Them can't deny it. More know what them are going to say now about the music. Because like how you hear some man love get up and talk about them a run with trap music and all of them shit there. Boy, Skilly, yo, your modern technology are work out. The world love it. The world love every bit of it, Skilly. No joking thing that about it. The people them love it. And me personally, me love how you give it to them, rude boy. Me love how you give it to them. You see what I say? Real way. Gaza way. East side way. There ain't no other blood clot way, Skilly. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Look. The blood clot place are full up. Yes, Skilly. You know laugh with it a blood clot. Right now, you make Jamaica proud. You make dancehall proud. You make the whole of the east side blood clot proud. Right now, them can't stop it no more, Skilly. Them have to embrace it. You see what I say? All who did that chat and that chat wicked, them offer bomb buckler join in. No gimmicks thing that they about it. Well done, sir. Well appreciated. We love every bit of it. We don't have no gimmicks bomb buckler business. You see what I say? When next Skilly, Canada, yo, no prepare yourself, you know. Because when bang drop over there, no normal, no pretty, you know. You hear that? Bumbo rascal. Everywhere Skilly go to rascal, it's a contest. If you say, ever the best performance, we see the man, you know. The first time in a bumbo clot England, the amount of shelling we go on, people say blood clot, them never seen nothing like that before. And watch ya, it's when the man come a blood clot Irving Plaza, the people them say, oh shit, for the same thing. The people are going wicked at the people, them are rascal sing over the man song and all them shit there in a New York. So when the man go back up about clot England with the wireless right now, the explosion where we see to blood clot right now, Wales are going to top that rascal performance there. Eh? What else are going to contest the performance there, bang? Pussy clot, youth. Rascal. Yeah, I see some boy run off them out because bang. Have on the rascal unruly boss. Rascal. How much rascal pound rascal sitting with 100 other rascal diamond. A glister all over it, bumbo rascal. Here's some boy, no, a hype thing. Bang, bang. Make sure you get the east side with whop on it, bumbo rascal. Because you see right now, rude boy, you have to look like who you is. You's a superstar. You hear that? Bang, bang. You is a superstar, so you have to give the people them the superstar look, my brother. You see what I say? No hyping thing not in your game, brother. You live like who you is, my brother. You's a true and living superstar, my brother. But that way that we have to go start move, bang, bang. No gimmicks thing that in it. You know how the general, the 10-star one represent already. A Gaza way they ain't no other way. Yo, when you go over Blood Clot, Vice Cartel Vivo, go circle the big bad song as you wake up. Bumbo rascal. The world boss just a ring soap blood clot song in a people head like that, my brother. Dynamic. Fantastic if you ask me. And I think that song they need a blood clot video to world boss. But I understand the thing. And not every song can get video up right away. But that bad no rascal in your world boss, eh? You're full of flow no pussy clot. I want to know how you can find flow so. Yo. Respect my world boss. Now give me thing that about it. You see what I say? Yeah, because I have to go do a separate video about that shit there. Skillibeng, the thing shell way, hotter than where hell there. But the general, the 10-star one I represent. You know how the thing go already. You see me a loud explosion each and every time. What? A 10-star, you know. A general. I represent.